This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
$1,535 you won this round. CYC, yeah, you were at 791. I enjoyed this one. It's about the time for you to place your next ones. Let's continue. Let's find out where this wheel is going to stop. Keep in mind, auto plays there to save the day as well. Final seconds. Woo, bet's closed. 5x and crazy time. Can we get it? Can we get it? Can we get it? Can we get it? Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Woo! We did it. All right, this is pretty great. Follow me. And we are back at the bonus game. Get ready, let's multiply every single segment on the wheel 5 times. Yes, indeed, you heard me correctly. We have 5x from TOPSLOT. That's pretty great. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, as always, you already know what you have to do. Choose your flopper, choose your team. We have Team Yellow, Team Blue, and Team Green. Which one is going to be yours? All right, 500. Let's do this. Wow, 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 wow. We have some double trouble for Team Blue. Isn't this marvelous? Come on, let's double the fun. That means that we're going to have 1,000 on stake. Come on, get ready. 3, 2, 1, here we go.
This is the amount of money issued, 320,703 euros.
Solid 200.
Then welcome. So big time. Hi, I'm You're so beautiful to your red lipstick. Hi there, Justin Bieber. Welcome, welcome, and thank you. Alrighty. Baby, 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 ooh. Like baby, 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 ooh. What a song you have as well. We don't talk anymore. Is Justin Bieber singing? No? Let's put it down. Best wish. No way, that's not Justin Bieber. For our song, crazy song, guys, in TOPSLOT. Okay, I'm not a big fan of Justin Bieber, to be honest. Like a singer, exactly singer, Justin Bieber, I mean. Let's see what's gonna be now. Alrighty, look at that. Yes, that's a crazy time here. And you know what? We're 4x on the top. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, guys, we're here in crazy time. Let's go. Welcome, everybody. So, you remember there are 3 floppers, green, blue, yellow. Choose that one which you choose, which you think will bring you the highest multiplier. But there is 4x from the top. Yes. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, now decision time yours. 3 floppers, guys. You're welcome. Make your decision. Wish you all the best. Ready? Let's do that. Boom. Good luck, ladies and gentlemen.
This is the amount of money issued, 534,460 euros.
200x for the yellow flopper. Woo-hoo! Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. 6,127 winners. Congratulations. And it's spring time. Let's go. 400 for the yellow flopper. Oh my. Da, 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 da. Okay.
Wow, 3.1 thousand victory, just like that. Well done. Enjoy. Final seconds for you. Join us and place your predictions. Autoplay is there to save the day as well. Five on Cashman. Ooh, 5x for that cash hunt indeed. Well, this is gonna be pretty awesome. Congratulations. Let's hope for something nice. Welcome back to Cashman. Hi there. Alright, let's add that 5x from the top slot, right? So, I think it's gonna be 500. Seems like it at least. So, after the 5x, guess what? 500 is indeed the highest of them all. Congratulations. Pretty nice looking board. Well, you have one chance, one shot, one opportunity to make it right. I wish you all the best luck. Let's do this. Which is your pick?
Mine is 6-9.
Huh?
6-9. 6 down and 9 on the side. There is that clown hat on the right
Oh,
side.
I see. Yeah, I got you.
Always my spot.
That's your spot? Alright. And that is gonna
This is the amount of money issued to 107,712 euros.
be pretty awesome, pretty great. Bye-bye. Toodle.
Bye-bye. 4,100 now winners. Good job. 5x to the cash and it was a decent win. Hello, guys. Hello, my people. Glad to see you all. My name is Dimitris and I'll be your host for the next session.
NSK9887. Congrats to you on being top of the winners now. Not a bad win. Let's spin it again. Also, welcome new players to join our crazy time. And bets are closed. And a good luck. Crazy time now with a 3x. Okay, not bad. Oh, you've been busy. But I get it, Ian. I get it. But I miss you in the chat. Not gonna lie. Alright, guys. So, let's spin. Giving us now. Okay. Let's go. Slide that we're having, ladies and gentlemen. Second crazy time. This crazy time with a top sort 3x. This is gonna be good redemption. Right, penguins? We're coming back. Right, guys, we're back to the crazy time. Woo! All right, let's apply a 3x. And ladies and gentlemen, now it's your decision time. Choose from 3 colors, green, blue, or yellow. And most of you still love the blue. Well, the maximum 300, so good luck to all of you guys. The green team with the double. All right, green team, for you, the maximum multiplier this time is 600. Good luck to all of you.
This is the amount of money issued 69,983 euros.
Yellow 105, blue is 75x. 0-4, top of the winners. Congrats to you. Amazing win. And we are back. This was a good redemption, guys. Congratulations to 2,345 winners of this round. That's already been. Let's spin it again. You're welcome, you're welcome. That was a pretty good and lucky spin. Okay, that's very close.
1,300 you won. Just back. Seth, top wins with you. So like, mwah. Shows my friend love the good vibes you've been providing to me in the session. Champion of the session without a shadow of a doubt. Love it to the bone. That's a powerful pachinko we have at the moment. A 5x top slot on top of it. And it is on the horizon. Ooh. Yeah, it's in, baby. I know it, you know it. All of us know it. We go turbo style on this one. We're looking good right now. Come on, baby, focus up, focus up. Important moments. Let's see what's cooking on the wall of multipliers, of course. Pump it up, baby, pump it up real good. Yeah. 250x. I'll take that all day, every day, baby. Just a la pizza. To the top I go, and the puck starts its journey to the bottom. Best of luck, puck. Be the hero.
This is the amount of money issued 66,812 euros.
Now we're talking business, my friends. Enjoy the wins. That was beautiful. Enjoy. Just to back, especially top win goes to you. That's me all day, baby. The expert has arrived. Feels good. Feels good.
567. Out of class, let's go back here again and let's get a stop pump. Put up, everybody. Short of a fun time, man. Let's go at it, yeah? Let's do this. So we're gonna push in, go with a 7x. That's what we're gonna have right next, man. Let's get it. Right, everybody. Now, hope we could have a fun time here in the session. Of course, we're going to stop from here soon. Video what is on. And oh my day. We got Pachinko with 7x. Let's go, everybody. We got Pachinko in the session, hey? Now, let's see those multipliers for now, everybody. For now, y'all, we got 3x, 5x, 7x, 10x, 15x, 20x, 35x, 50x. Double, everybody. Our max multiplier is going to be at 350x. And let's go up. Where are you going to be landing on? Come on, at least 245, eh? 140. Come on, 140.
This is the amount of money issued 146,988 euros.
Here we go. Here we are again, everybody. Come on, total winners 3,089. Round of applause for you winners. Let's go on to this side. Let's do this, man. Let's stop pumping it up, everybody. Welcome to New York King Players. My name is Mike Mugas. Let's enjoy our session. Let's try to have a good time here. Let's try that some.
Top winner. So folks, been here for 40 minutes. Gone another 40 minutes left. So let's go. So what's the weather like, Namia? Namia, what's the weather like outside right now?
225x TOPSLOT.
110.
This is the amount of money issued 139,019 euros.
5x TOPSLOT. Sheesh, 966 winners. Mr. Robin, place your bets. Yes, sir, back top winner. Only by Sebastian. Only by Sebastian. The only thing I ask in return is be nice and friendly in the chats.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.